Ever looked at a bottle of castor oil and thought, this looks like it could fix my entire life? Or possibly ruin it? Well, good news. It's actually more helpful than harmful. And no, it won't poison you, unless you drink the whole plant, which, let's be honest, is a terrible smoothie idea. You see, castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Yes, that plant does contain ricin, the scary, toxic stuff you've heard about in spy movies. But here's the plot twist. Ricin isn't oil-soluble, so your humble bottle of castor oil, totally non-toxic and safe, if used correctly. This magical goop has been around for centuries, slathered, massaged, and even swallowed, carefully people, for its health perks. Castor oil benefits you need to know. For hair, think of it as protein shake for your scalp. The fatty acids in castor oil wake up your sleepy hair follicles, boost growth, lock in moisture, seal those annoying split ends, and banish dandruff like an ex you're finally over. It also works wonders on eyebrows, eyelashes, beards, and mustaches. Yes, gentlemen, even your whiskers can glow up. For nails, if your nails are snapping off like dry twigs and your cuticles look like they've survived a sandstorm, castor oil to the rescue. Just massage a bit in daily and watch your fingertips transform from to ooh. For skin, it's thick, it's slick, and it's deeply nourishing. Use it as a moisturizer or go full ninja and fight off acne, warts, and skin tags thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory powers. Just don't use it to fry your chicken. It's not that kind of oil. For a natural laxative, yep, we're going there. 1 tablespoon. That's it. Castor oil is like nature's gentle nudge to your digestive system. But remember, if constipation is chronic, see your doctor, not just your kitchen cabinet. For muscle and joint pain, knead it into sore muscles and joints to ease pain from inflammation, arthritis, or just regretting leg day. Your muscles will thank you, and so will your massage therapist, because you've just become your own. How to use castor oil without turning into a greasy pancake. For hair, apply directly to scalp or mix with shampoo conditioner. For skin, dilute with coconut or olive oil, then massage gently. For constipation, take 1 tablespoon, not the whole bottle. Allergy test first. Apply a tiny bit to your arm and wait 24 hours. If your skin's cool with it, carry on. If it throws a tantrum, stop immediately. Avoid if you're pregnant, a baby, a kid, have bowel blockages, or plan to gargle it. And no, don't drip it into your eyes, ears, or any other body crevice. One last thing. If castor oil were a superhero, it'd be the slick, silent type, healing stuff in the background while we take all the credit. So if you found this helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more wellness wisdom, and share this with your friends, especially the one with brittle nails and a flaky scalp. You know who they are.